In this video, I will show you how to place order on 1688 Chinese shopping app, and this is going to be a step-by-step guide without any stress and some buyer tips as the case may be. So let's get started. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to access from my 1688 app right here, and then go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here, just like so. So this is the product link right here on 1688. We need this particular product to be we need just 500 pieces of this particular product right here. You can see the link sent by the owner of the goods. So next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and click on the product link right here. So I will click on the product link. It's going to load up and then redirect to web page. Then from web page, it's going to connect to 1688 Chinese shopping app. Go ahead now, click on open in 1688 app. So I will click on open in 1688 app. It's going to load up to the 1688 app directly, just like what you see right here. And the next thing we want to do here is to check on the product detail. So for that, simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see the product detail as far as this particular page is concerned on 168. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure and add the product to cart. So for that, I'm going to click on here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here. Then I'm going to go ahead and type 500 pieces right here and hit OK, just like so. So you can see 500 pieces of the product right here. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to add the product to cart, just like so. Having added the product to cart successful, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to fill my cart, just like so. So from the cart right here, you can see the product right here. So the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and see how we make payment for this particular product on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoBiz, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. This will allow me to select the products. And then having selected the products, go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I scroll down right here, allow everything to load up. So from the checkout right here, scroll down, continue to scroll down, and then go ahead and click on here to see your means of payment. In this tutorial, I'm making payment with Alipay. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Lastly, I'll go ahead and enter payment password. Our payment done successful. You can see a notification of payment from Alipay, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Having screenshot proof of payment, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here to go to my profile. And by the time I refresh my dashboard right here, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. You can see it right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here and come back to my WhatsApp and send the proof of payment to the owner of this goods right here. So for that, I'm going to click on attach gallery and select proof of payment and say payment done, and hit send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, JD.com, Shenyun or Chinese or Idlefish or Alibaba or AliExpress or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.